Local intellectual property law firm Spoor & Fisher is home base to advocate Tshepo Shabangu, who doubles in capacity as president of the South African Institute for Intellectual Property Law. Polity caught up with Shabangu to discuss the institute's influence on IP law and how it has developed since its establishment in 1952.
A lot of work has been done by our predecessors. So really, this is all a collective effort, and we can't claim to have done it on our own, but it has been my something that has been close to my heart to actually carry on with the legacy that they have left for us. So the Institute has continued to be relevant and has continued to fulfill its mandate in terms of qualifying world-class trademark practitioners and patent attorneys, and we have continued to partner with relevant stakeholders within the South Africa, like our trademarks office, and with the customs official, to give them the relevant training and to ensure that they can carry on with their mandate and that they have a good understanding of intellectual property and what is needed on their side.
The Institute continues to successfully qualify world-class trademark and patent attorneys, but has noticed that very few black lawyers are pursuing this career path. This is why the Institute joined forces with the South African Law Society in 2010 in an attempt to face this challenge head-on with the Trademark Learnership Program. Shabangu explains.
This program has been one program which was very close to my heart because it was really meant to empower previously disadvantaged black people, and I'm very passionate about empowering black people. It was started by Law Society of South Africa, LSSA LEAD, which is the training arm of the Law Society, by Nick Swart, who was the then director and who's now the president of the the CEO of the Law Society of South Africa, in conjunction with the Institute, to actually make sure that there is a trademark learnership program and that the members of the Institute are actually impart the necessary IP skills to these lawyers who were selected to be part of the program.
The Institute is clearly meeting its main goals: to foster awareness about the importance of intellectual property and to open up the possibility of IP law to young South Africans as a viable career path. So, where to from here?
The future for us is to build young people. To make sure that the young people carry on with a legacy that has been left by our predecessors. People who have worked so hard to ensure that our IP profession and our laws are as what they are today. And not only that, but we also have potential within South Africa. We've got entrepreneurs who might be building up their businesses, who might be looking into expanding into other African countries. It's up to us to actually educate them on what it takes to protect their brands and to enforce them, and to make sure that we partner with them in building brands which will not only homegrown, but will also be big brands in other countries.